Hello everyone, in here I will make a fermented fruit juice. The materials first is ripe papaya. The second is brown sugar. Third is water. The fourth is rope. The fifth is a plastic container. The sixth is knife and measure of water. The seventh is manila pepper. Then the tutorial make a FFG. First, cut the papaya into small pieces. The second, put the papaya into a plastic container. The third is add brown sugar into a plastic container. The next step is stir the two ingredients until mixed. The next step is to pour the water into a plastic container. Then stir until mixed. The last step is to cover the plastic container using manila pepper and tie the manila pepper using the rope. And don't forget to give the date of manufacture and harvest. Thank you very much for watching my video. And sorry, I'm not good in English language. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.